In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp to your iPad. So this is actually a really easy tutorial and we can do this in less than 2 minutes. So what we're going to do is first open up an internet browser, and from your internet browser, you need to type in web.whatsapp.com, and this will take you over to the official WhatsApp website. Now from here, click on the share icon in the top navigation. Scroll down this list and select Add to Home Screen, and then you just need to rename this to WhatsApp and go and press Add. So once the WhatsApp application's been added to your home screen, we're just going to hold down on the application, and then we're going to drag it into this quick bar at the bottom down here. And then you can go ahead and just click somewhere on the screen. So now we can click on the WhatsApp application to go and launch it up. And now we need to sign in with our WhatsApp account. Now to do this, I'm just going to use my phone. So if you're already logged into WhatsApp on your mobile device, then just go and load up the WhatsApp application. Click on Settings in the bottom right hand side. Click on Linked Devices and then just select Link Device. Now what we can do is just go and scan that QR code using our mobile device, and then that's going to log you in to WhatsApp on your iPad. So now that we've logged into WhatsApp, you may also want to turn on notifications. You can do that by clicking on the settings icon in the bottom left hand side. Click on notifications and just go and turn on the notifications that you want to receive. Make sure to select allow in this list here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you install WhatsApp on your iPad. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.